Hi, have you heard of Devil's Marbles? Do you know where it is located, how it was formed, and why it's called Devil's Marbles? Hello, my name is Matet and welcome to Andito Me channel. Devil's Marbles is actually located in between Alice Springs and Darwin. So if you're driving from Alice Springs going to the north, after 392 kilometers, you will see it on your right side. Okay, you will not miss it because these boulders, that's why it's called boulders, they're big rocks and they're scattered on the vast area. So you will see it on your right side. So I think you're traveling 393 kilometers. I think it will be time for you as well to take a break. So slow down your car and then find a parking space on the designated parking area and enjoy this beautiful rock formation. Okay? So, why it's called Devil's Marbles? I guess Devil's Marbles was taken from the words uttered by John Ross. John Ross is a Scottish-Australian drover and an explorer. So when he saw these boulders of rocks scattered on these vast areas, he said, "This is the devil's country." He's even emptied his bag of marbles around the place. So I guess from there, from that quote, that area was called Devil's Marbles. So please correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so if you know the history, please comment below. Well, Devil's Marbles is also known as Karlu Karlu. It's an Aboriginal term for the rock features and and the surrounding areas. So how it was formed? Well, these marbles are actually granite rocks and they are formed from magma. What? Magma? Yes, magma. We know that magma is located under the surface of the earth. So it's under the ground, beneath the surface of the earth. Yes. So why it's visible in our eyes, and it's rock. Well, around 1,700 million years ago, which is 1.7 billion years ago, this molten magma is squeezed into the sandstone surface of the earth, the earth's crust, and cooled down as granite rock. So because it squeezes up, the ground surface cracks or it erodes the overlying rocks. And then, of course, these granite rocks became closer to the surface, to the ground surface. Okay, and as time passes by, the wind and the air contacts with the water. Sorry, not water, with the ground, and then here comes the rain. Now the water goes down, it reacts with the granite rocks, okay? And then there's this process called weathering process. It changes the appearance of those rocks. And then, as time passes by, voila, here comes the rocks. These boulders, they're on top of each other or just, one rock here, one rock there. Yeah. So, it's amazing, right? Are you excited to see those rocks? So, if you're excited, please don't press the stop button. Just continue on playing this video. Alright? So, see you then. Bye bye. So now watch this until the end, okay? So, how is it? Did you enjoy the clips? I hope so. By the way, have you noticed the dingo in the video? It is a wild dog here in Australia, equivalent to the askal in the Philippines or the asong kalye or the street dogs. And we're so thankful and lucky because the dingo was so tame and behaved. So guys, if you're visiting Australia and you're going to Northern Territory, well, drop by Devil's Marbles, okay? And if you want to stay overnight, there is a hotel which is only 9 kilometers away from the Devil's Marbles. It's called the Walk Up Hotel. Walk up, yeah, not wake up, walk up. Walk up is actually not walk up as in you woke up in the morning. No, it's just how they pronounce it. The the what you call this, the spelling is Wauchope. Okay, it is it's also a town, a walk up town. So their hotel there is Walk Up Hotel. Okay, so guys, so I hope you like my video, and if you do, please don't forget to click the like button. Okay, click like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to see my other upcoming videos. Right? And for those who have already subscribed, thank you very much. And hope to see you whenever and whenever. Alright, guys? Thank you very much for watching and see you. Bye.